Horses out. We've got entry number 2, Mangaro. As to begin, moving up party out. So now is Amazing Pace together with Admiral Contender, Mr. J. Golden Harry, Simple Beauty. Then followed by Crafty Treasure. Then next on line, Plush Whale. While Wang Wang is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Amazing Pace by about 2 lengths. Admiral Contender in second, moving a party out. So now is Crafty Treasure. In between horses, Golden Harry, Simple Beauty, Mr. G. Mangaro comes next, Splash Away, and Wang is the early trailer. And it's still Amazing Pace, Admiral Contender. Now moving a party outside. Alongside third position is Crafty Treasure, Simple Beauty in fourth. Mr. G is down in fifth, then followed by Golden Harry, Flash Away, Mangaro, and Wang is still racing in last 400. We have Admiral Contender this time by about 2 lengths. Amazing Pace still in second. Moving up, Crafty Treasure, Simple Beauty is on the inside. And it's still Admiral Contender. Amazing Pace is on the outside. Then moving up, Crafty Treasure. But it's still Admiral Contender, followed by Amazing Pace. And finally, Admiral Contender. Amazing Pace, Crafty Treasure, Simple Beauty, Mr. G, Flash Away. Then comes Mangaro, Golden Harry,